Hello, Berry Church School. Good to be with you today, even though I can't be with you in person, which I'd love to do. One of my favourite stories in the Bible is the story of Jesus in the boat when there's a storm that brews up. And behind me, I've got one of my favourite pictures, which is about stormy seas. And in the story, Jesus is in the boat with his disciples. The storm blows up, water is coming into the boat, and the disciples panic, even though they are experienced fishermen and know all about storms and the rough Galilean Sea. One of the brilliant things about that story is that Jesus chooses to be with the disciples in the boat. It may seem that he's not doing very much, and the disciples are panicking and saying, "Don't you care? We're about to drown." But he's there with them. He chooses to be with them. And that tells us that whatever the storms that we're going through, whether it's the pandemic or personal storms or difficulties that we're facing, the one thing that we do know is that Jesus chooses to be with us. But that's not all, because as the story goes on, we find that he wakes up and he speaks to the storm, and it's stilled, and he brings the disciples and the boat safely to shore. That is to say, there is nothing outside his power and his authority. He is the Lord of everything. And that's why we can trust Jesus with our lives, this person who stills the storm. We can trust him because he loves us enough to stay with us through the storm. And we can trust him because he has power and authority to bring us peace and to lead us safely through. So whatever you're experiencing at this time, if pandemic has been tough for you, as it has been for many families across the land, may you know the Lord's presence and his peace. And may you find in him someone who you can trust to be with you, to stay with you, and lead you safely to shore. God bless you. Amen.